All right, we just got the little kitchen today. We're gonna put it together. Instructions are included. Everything was in the box. And we're gonna put this together and see how it looks. Oh, there it goes. What you had to do?
I tried to keep So here, there's a space to put all your needed utensils, like a fork, knife, spatula, spoon. And then here we have more cooking utensils, like spatulas, and perfect compartment for all 3 of those. And then you have the 3 compartments for the 3 plates it comes with. And here's an area for the cup as well, which she has in her hand. And in here you can also put like the little sauces, and they can stand up in here, and you could just stack them and have them there so that the kids are able to play with it. Your eggs burning!
Oh, there's little mini popcorn. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Press it. Hard.
Harder, Harley.
Wash your hands.
Turn the steam on.
Put the steam on, turn it on.
Turn off that one. It's gonna burn! Food inside the fridge.